Let me show you how I make my crispy, cheesy beef puffs. They're super easy to make and are so delicious. I start with browning the beef on a hot skillet. I break the ground beef up and then I let it brown. I keep the heat high so it browns quickly. Once the beef changes color, that's when I will add some onion and cook that until it's translucent. I then add garlic and cook that for a minute. I then add tomato paste and mix it really well. Once the tomato paste is cooked, that's when I will add all the spices. I add salt, red chili, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Cook the spices out and then I will add some green chilies. You can do jalapenos or any chili of your choice. A little touch of water and then I cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. I then add scallions and cilantro. Let the mixture cool and then add it to the puff pastry with some shredded cheese, and then you want to close it up with some water and press with a fork to seal the sides. I then brush the puff pastry with egg and a generous amount of sesame seeds. Bake them around 18 to 20 minutes and that's it. Now it's your turn to go make some.